Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, we discussed about how we can use import range function between two Google Sheets. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can embed import range function inside query formula and pull specific columns, right? So this is my dummy data. Okay, and this is my sheet where I want to bring first column, third column and fifth column. Right, so let's start with query formula. Okay, so in query formula we have first parameter we have is data, second is query, and third one is the header. Data, that means we are importing data in this particular section. So we will write import and we'll select import range. Then it's asking me for the URL from where we are fetching the data. That means the URL of this sheet. I will just copy this URL. Okay, I'll just paste the URL. Now I'll double quotes, comma. I'll start the double quotes again. Then I'll just write dummy data exclamation A2 till E. So basically the tab name is dummy data. The range is from A1 cell till last column E, and we can check that dummy data from A1 till E, right? So I've entered this here. Cool. I'll put comma. That means my data part is over. This particular formula knows from where, in which tab and which range it has to pick the data. As of now, we have selected everything. So we'll just start the query line. I'll just start with double quotes. Then I'll write select and I'll put star in it, close it, comma, -1 and bracket close. What will happen? It will fetch all the columns in my backend data as of now. That means whenever we put star after select in a query line, it will fetch everything. Star means all. Now I only want first column, third column and fifth column. So in this case, I'll just delete the star. I will write COL with capital C 1, comma, COL 3, comma, COL 5. COL means column, and I'll just enter it. See, it is only fetching first, third and fifth column, and we can change any number here, right? First, second, third in any combination. So the best part about this combination of functions is you don't have to pull complete data. At times the database is very huge and you require only 4, 5, 6 columns. So there is no need to pull complete data altogether. You just use import range with query function and your desired output will be here, and you can do all the calculations you want. I hope you understood the formula. If there are any comments, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.